What if your content calendar didn't just keep you organized, but actually increased engagement, prevented over-messaging, and drove more revenue? Today, we're going to walk through how to build an advanced omnichannel content calendar in Klaviyo, so you can reach customers where they are, coordinate campaigns in one place, and use AI to make every message smarter. But first, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. First, meet customers where they are. An advanced omnichannel strategy starts with one simple question. Where are your customers actually spending their time? Start with the data. Where are your customers regularly clicking? Take some time researching the most popular shopping channels for your industry. People don't just use one channel. Shopping behavior is fluid. Your calendar needs to reflect that movement. Better yet, use channel affinity in Klaviyo to reach each individual via the channel they are most likely to engage with right now. Once you know where your audience is most active, lean into the natural strengths of each channel based on format, regional reach, and more. It's not just one channel or another. You may lead with one and follow with another to make the greatest impact. An advanced calendar doesn't just list dates. It intentionally maps the right message to the right channel. Next, manage campaigns in one place. Once you know what you're sending and where, the next step is coordination. This is where the Omnichannel Campaign Builder becomes powerful. Instead of jumping between tabs to track who receives what, you can now build and visualize the entire journey in one place. Here's what that unlocks. First, multiple audience paths can exist in one campaign. Create different experiences based on behavior, like customers who click versus those who don't, without duplicating work across channels. You can also set up exit criteria to prevent over-messaging. If someone purchases after your first message, they automatically exit the rest of the campaign. That protects the customer experience and prevents fatigue. And finally, you'll see comprehensive analytics. You'll see how every channel contributes to the journey as a whole, rather than looking at stats in isolation. Then, enhance with AI. Once your omnichannel structure is in place, AI helps you make it smarter. First, use predictive analytics. Instead of guessing who is likely to purchase, churn, or become a high-value customer, you can use predictive insights to prioritize your messaging. For example, target customers most likely to buy with early access and re-engage those at risk of churn with a tailored offer. You can also use AI-powered personalized product feeds. Rather than sending the same products to everyone, you can dynamically tailor content to each individual's browsing and purchasing behavior. That means more relevance, higher click rates, and stronger revenue impact from the same campaign. And lastly, test, iterate, and scale. Your customers' needs and interests aren't stagnant. They will develop and shift over time. To make sure you're keeping up with an ever-changing audience, run A/B tests consistently to determine what hits or misses the mark. When you stop thinking in silos and start thinking in journeys, your calendar becomes more than a schedule. It becomes a growth engine. Take what you've learned and start building your own advanced omnichannel calendar in Klaviyo. Your customers are already everywhere. Make sure your messaging is too. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.